Hey, this is Shamim from SS Animation Studio, and finally I'm back with some gifts for you. Do you guess which is the gift for you? This is basically Blender3D YouTube tutorial series for you. So I had started this series just couple of months ago, but I couldn't continue this series. But this time I will be regular and I'm gonna upload every week one video for you guys, so that you're gonna learn so many things, and you want to be a if you want to be a 3D modeler or animator, this series probably will help you to start. So this is a beginner friendly series, but if you start from watching this YouTube series, probably you are be a intermediate 3D modeler or animator. So we have so many modules, these things, and I'm gonna share this one so that you're gonna understand which things you are gonna learn from me. So let's have a look. This is going to be a Blender 5 essential 3D modeling and animation for beginners, and chapter 11th chapter we have, this is introduction of the courses, Blender fundamentals, working with objects in object mode, 3D modeling or edit mode, shading, creating materials, textures and UVs, rendering, taking a picture of your artwork, low poly car project, low poly character object, low poly village project, 3D animation in Blender, animation project, and so on. So the course details I'm going to discuss right now. This is basically course introduction, installing Blender fundamentals, welcome to Blender, the interface, customizing interface, and saving changes, navigating and viewing the scene, object, add, delete, duplicate, hide, move to collection, coordinate system, object location, origin, work modes, object mode, tools, no shortcut, object mode, tools with shortcut, resetting, transforms, intro to shading modes, and viewport material colors, 3D modeling, edit mode, 3D modeling, building blocks, elements, edit mode, intro, most important 3D modeling tools, selecting and deleting tools, our first 3D model table, 3D modeling memory stick, 3D modeling a mark, 3D modeling matches in a box, 3D modeling stairs demonstration, the most common problems beginners face when modeling, intro to modifiers, mirror modifiers, curve object, editing curves, curve object, most important properties, 3D modeling exercise, introduction to exercise project 1, white shelves, the brown bench and brown table, creating materials, textures and UVs, concept of materials in a real life and in a Blender, rendering engine in Blender, cycles versus EVE, creating, deleting, protecting materials etc, and creating and modifying basic materials, overview of nodes and simple node setup, texture basic, color and black and white textures, common textures used to create most materials, and texture basics, automatically project textures, UV maps, unwrapping steps, general rules, auto UV unwrapping, smart UV project, UV unwrapping practice, preventing unwanted problems with textures, texturing workflow, important things to remember, packing, embedding textures, unpacking textures, applying multiple materials onto one object, bonus all about materials, bonus creating gloss materials, shading exercise, what we are going to do, textures exercise demo, rendering quick demo, rendering basics, viewport versus final setup, cycles, most important settings, saving rendering image, rendering the viewport 5, image output settings and format, most important camera shortcuts and properties, lights object, using HDRI as a light and background, shadow capture, creating environment, type simple environment and gradient environment. What we are going to do, the rendering exercise, solution to rendering exercise, low poly car project, modeling 1, 2, 3, and shading, low poly character project. Download Maximo character, import into Blender, modeling the body, head and body, and joining parts of the body, improving the appearance, creating outlines for clothing and shading. Low poly village project. Village, block out lighting, modeling the house, placing the house, fences and gates using carbon arrays, road with carb and skin wrap, creating simple rock, flower, grass, particle, creating animated tree with sapling, instancing trees, grass and practical system, village scattering flower instances, applying simple colors, tips, troubleshooting challenges, last minor changes. 3D animation. Into the new section, basic animation, simple of animating properties, some advanced concept and features, animation exercise, the need for skeletal control, intro amateur skeleton control system, rigging mechanical objects, rigging organic models, rigging the cube character, exercise manual work animation, moving objects, coloring car parts, physics and simulations examples, shape case, making object appear and disappear using scale, make object disappear appear using Boolean modifier, animating displace modifier, more interesting animations using Boolean and displace, using video textures, faking a fire effect, camera animations, track to switching camera, rendering animations, image sequence versus video format, render viewport animations, convert image sequence to video, bonus using Maxima animations. Animation project, wind in the grass animation, fixing the grass animation, animating flower in the wind using bones, operating the doors, car animations using path constraint, improved and updated car animation, animated cameras and camera properties, animating car wheels and lighting, animating characters texturing with viewport render, setting up cameras renderings, adding audio final touches. So this is going to be a Blender 3D animations and modeling series, tutorial series. I think you are gonna learn so many things from this series. Every week I'm gonna upload one video in this tutorial series, and you just connect with me through WhatsApp and Telegram channel, and I'm gonna upload each and every materials and PDFs, sheets and tutorial materials, whatever the informations and whatever the scenario we have and I'm gonna share everything, each and everything there. You guys just connect with me through YouTube channel, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Telegram channel. I'm gonna share each and every link in my comment box. You just try to reach out there and knock me, connect me. I'm gonna share each and everything with you. We're gonna create a family for learning family, and we're gonna grow each other at the same time. Thank you so much for watching me, and bye bye, tada.